Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to receive money on Zelle. You want to know how to do that? This video is for you. Let's get straight into it. Now, the first method is to receive money directly. Now, the first step is to ensure that you have a valid debit card or bank account linked to your Zelle account. Then what you want to do is to share your Zelle username or email address or mobile number associated with your Zelle account with the sender. Now, this sender is going to initiate the payment through their Zelle account, and you will receive a notification when the payment is sent. Now, this fund will be directly deposited into your linked bank account or your debit card. That's for the first method. Now, the second method is to request money. Now, you can do that by first logging into your Zelle account. Then you got to click on request or request money, and then you got to enter the sender's email address or their mobile number. Then you want to enter the amounts that you are requesting, and of course you can always leave them a message or a note to let them know what you're requesting for. It's always useful. And of course, when you're done with that, just click request, and then the sender is going to receive a notification with the request. So if the sender accepts the request, now that fund is going to be deposited directly to your linked bank account or your debit card. Now, the third method is to use the Zelle's payment request. You gotta use the Zelle's payment request. You can also use that to receive money. Now, how you do that first is to log into your Zelle's account, and then you want to click on request or request money. Then this time you want to click on create a payment request, and then you want to enter the sender's email address or mobile number and enter the amounts that you're requesting. Then you can add a note or message to let them know what you're requesting it for. And then of course, when you're done with that, just click create request. Now this will share the payment request link or code with the sender. Just share it with them, and then the sender can use that link or code to send the payment directly to you. So a couple of tips for you guys. The first is to verify that the sender has your correct email address or mobile number associated with your Zelle account. So you might have a number that's not associated with Zelle. That's going to be a wrong option to use. So you got to make sure that the email address or the phone number that the other person has is the one that's associated with your Zelle account. Now, the second, of course, is to regularly review your account activities to detect any suspicious transactions. So you want to keep your account secure by regularly checking on it and making sure that everything's going smoothly. Now, the third tip is to reach out to Zelle support if you have encountered any issues receiving money. So you run into any snags, just reach out to customer support and they're going to help you sort that out. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. We upload a lot more like this every time, so you gotta subscribe to the channel if you want to continuously see that. And of course, please don't forget to ring the notification bell, because YouTube is crazy and you might not always get updates to our videos unless you have that notification bell on. So click that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.